Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you all controls on the JBL Tuner Free. So, starting off easily, we have all the buttons, which is the power off, which is the Bluetooth. Here we have the auto scan for the radio channels. Here we have the DAB versus FM selection. Here we can change it, as you guys can see. What we can do next is we have those three buttons right here. So let me quickly place it like that. Here we have the three buttons to lower our volume, to turn up our volume, and to play or stop. We can also go back after we click 3 times, and we can move forward after we click 2 times. So we can skip the songs or play the next songs using those buttons. Now, what can we do next? We can go over and set up the radio. So as you guys can see here, we have the antenna. We can easily set up the radio by going into DAB FM. Let me quickly lower the volume though. Here we can change it to DAB or to FM. Now the music is playing definitely, but here we can go over to DAB. As you guys can see, the Bluetooth just disabled. Now let me quickly hide the antenna, and what we have next, we can pair our Bluetooth. So this is by clicking here. Now we have those 6 numbers, and what they do, basically you can save your preset there. So it's like a radio preset. You guys can use it to actually save your channels here. Whenever you have a good frequency that you want to save and not go through all the time with the arrows, then you can save it here. And that's basically what you guys can do with this speaker. Here you also have an option to go and do the multi-speaker connection. What a multi-speaker is, basically you can connect a lot of like JBL speakers, and then you'll be able to play the same song from a couple of speakers to make it like louder. So these are basically all controls for the JBL Tuner Free. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.